like to know what is your purpose in life? I mean, what you are, what is your own identity? Like, for example, if I ask you, somebody will tell me, I am a doctor, I am a CA, I am a businessman, whatever, but that is not your identity as far as I am concerned. So would you want to know what is your own actual identity?
Yes.
So we'll do a small demonstration. Okay. I'm going to take you down. NLP is basically neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro is the brain, linguistic is the language, and programming is how do you program your own brain. So we are going to go on all imagination trips or pretends, but this is how it is going to help your mind, and I will come to that also explaining as to how and why we are doing certain things in certain ways. Okay, but whatever I tell you, I'm going to find your own identities for yourself, but I'm not going to ask, I'm going to only ask the question, I'm not going to ask for the answers, okay? The answers you keep to yourself in your own mind, but whenever I say something, the answer should be the first thing that comes to your mind. You are not going to think, okay? Whatever it is, no, it's not a question, and it's not KBC also, very simple one, okay? But whatever is there, keep it in your mind, but that's your own answer, then I will explain to you what it means, correct? So let's say we all start, okay? We all start walking down the road. Now I have come to a small pathway on that road, okay? I turn on that pathway, and when you are walking on that pathway, so when I say I, it is you individually yourself. You are going to think of yourselves walking, okay? So you are all walking down the road, and then you come to a pathway, so you walk down that pathway. In front of you, you see a wall. Now in your mind, describe that wall, whether it is low, it is medium, or it is high, okay? Now you have to climb that wall. So see yourself whether you can climb it very easily, or you are going to struggle to climb it, or you just can't climb it. Whatever is your answer, you keep it to yourself only, okay? Now let's assume you have to go over the wall. So somehow you have gone over the wall. You've gone over the wall, now you're walking further down, 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 and you suddenly see a water body. Now describe that water body to yourself, whether it is a puddle, it is a pond, it is a lake, it is a river, whatever it is, okay? Describe that to yourself. Now we have to go over that water body, so you go through that. As you're walking down further, you're going to see a jungle, okay? From the distance, see that jungle and see whether the jungle is dense or is it open. Okay, whatever is the answer, you keep it to yourself. You come up to the jungle, and now you see the jungle. How is it? Is it dense or is it not? Okay. Now you have to go in. Let's assume we have to go inside the jungle. So you are going in. But are you going in easily, or are you struggling to go in, or do you actually say no, forget it, I don't want to go, whatever it is. And describe the jungle. How is the jungle to you? Is it dark or is there some light coming? Okay. Now you are going to walk further down. As you are walking, you find a key. Now describe this key in your mind, whether it is a big key or it is a small key. See whether you picked up the key and kept it in your pocket, or you've kept it back down. Okay? Now go further walking down in that jungle, and as you are going further, you see a house. Describe this house in your mind. How it is, what is it? Is it a big house, mansion, or a small cottage? And see if there is a chimney, and is the chimney burning. Are there animals around it? Okay? You got that key in your pocket. Let's assume you just picked up that key and you put it in your pocket. So you take out the key and you put it in the lock. It fits perfectly. You open that door. And when you open the door, see the first person that you would want there. Okay? All of us have got this? Now I'll tell you what happens. You were walking down the alleyway, you saw the wall. Okay? That wall is small, big, or medium is life. How you see life. If it's small, you find life is very simple, very easy, very nice. If you find the wall very high, you're finding life very challenging. You feel it is very difficult. Okay? If you go over that wall very easily, means you can overcome any obstacle. If you are really struggling, but then it's okay. You find it very difficult, but you somehow manage to go through life. If you are not able to go, that means you give up very easily. You seriously need to work on that, because you shouldn't be giving up so fast. As you go further, you see the water. The water represents your personal life. Okay? So if you see a small pond or puddle, you seriously need to work on your personal lives, because you need to work on that. If you see a river, if the river is calm, that means there is no spice in your life. You need to spice up your relationships. If the river is raging, it's very good. Your family is going to be very happy. Okay? So that is your water body, big, small, whatever. Now you are seeing the jungle from a big distance. That means you are seeing your future. What do you see your future like? If you see the jungle dense from a distance, means you are finding your future very dark. Okay? If you find that the jungle is good enough to go in, that means your future is good. When you come right up to the jungle, now is that jungle dense? If the jungle is dense, means you find life very challenging. Okay? And if you are able to go into the jungle easily, means you have challenges, but you are easily able to overcome that. You say, okay, it's a challenge, I will accept it, I will do it, and I am going in. If you give up and you say, no, I can't go into the jungle, means you are giving up very easily. So you need to work on that. You shouldn't be giving up so fast. Okay? You go inside, and if you see that the jungle was dark, that means the environment around you is not very happy, not very nice. You need to change your friends. Okay? I don't mean your personal families, please don't start doing that. Yeah, because I get people there also, oh, environment means matlab I have to change my husband. I say, no, please. वो बेचारे को बख्श दो.
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
I know.
Wow, I didn't
would love to do that. So only your friends, that means the environment of your friends or colleagues around, you need to change and work on that. Colleagues I know is not so easy to change. I'm blessed, I have very good ones, but still. Okay? Now, and of course if there is light coming in, then you are in a good zone. So you should leave it. See the key. If the key that you saw is big, that means you are ambitious. You want to do better, you want to earn money. If your key is small, then you really need to think about it. Okay? You need to be a little more ambitious, not such a small key also. If you keep the key back, then you are more into charity, donations, doing samaj seva. Okay? And if you pick up the key and keep it, means you want to really earn a lot of money. Which is good, which is not bad. Now you walk further, you see the house. If you've seen a big mansion, means you love lavish lifestyles. You enjoy good things. If you've seen a small cottage, means you love your family life, you love to be in your own little world. The chimney is just like a representation of your subconscious mind, where if you have a chimney and it is burning or smoking, means you are ambitious and you are looking to do better and more, as in terms of money and wealth. Okay? It's just a way. And if you see animals around, means you love your family, you love your people around, and you want to get in more and more people. You are a people's person. Right? So this is your brief identity in 6 minutes.
आप इमेजिन करने को बोल रहे हैं, हम खुद नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. आप बोल रहे हैं कि एनिमल्स देखिए, तो
नहीं,
हम
देखिए
देख पा रहे
नहीं. I
हैं
said see, describe if you have seen animals or not seen. I'm not asking you to see anything. That's why I said देखो कि अगर आप पानी देख रहे हो तो पानी में आपको
वो that chimney is burning और
ऐसे देखो अगर चिमनी है कि नहीं और अगर वो बर्न कर रही है कि नहीं. तो अगर आपको नहीं दिखी है मतलब इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर ड्रीम, इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. अगर आपके माइंड में वो है तो वो सबसे पहले आपको दिखेगा. और अगर
आपके बोलने से पहले दिखेगा.
हाँ, मेरे बोलने से पहले ही दिख जाएगा. इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ दिखा रही हूँ कि ऑफन हम लोग छोटी चीज़ें नहीं ध्यान देते हैं जब हम सोच रहे हैं. तो मैं सिर्फ दे रही हूँ कि देख लो, अगर आपको दिख रही है तो दैट मीन्स आप एम्बिशियस हो, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा चाहिए. और अगर आपको नहीं दिखी है,
आपके बोलने के बाद दिख रही है तो
हाँ, तो मतलब वो नहीं है. हाँ, मतलब आपके लिए वो पैसा इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, आपके लिए लोग ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. आप पीपल्स पर्सन ज़्यादा हो. मेरे बोलने के बाद अगर आपको वो एनिमल्स दिखे हैं तो इसका मतलब कि पीपल आर ओके फॉर यू. मेरे लिए एम्बिशन, मेरे करियर ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड पीपल से आई डोंट मीन कि भाई आपके स्पाउस या आपके बच्चे, वो तो ऑब्वियसली आपसे इम्पोर्टेंट होंगे, बट आई मीन पीपल इन होल, पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप जहाँ तक है. लाइक कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको फ्रेंड्स, सोशल लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा है चाहिए. एंड सोशल लाइफ से पार्टी नहीं है मेरा मतलब. सोशल लाइफ मतलब पीपल, यू लाइक टू बी विद पीपल, यू लाइक टू एसोसिएट. वैसे नहीं कि हाँ भाई मैं 50 लोगों को जानती हूँ, मैं 100 लोगों को जानती हूँ, बट वो मेरे लिए कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. कुछ लोगों के लिए वो 1-2 ही स्पेशल होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के लिए 5 जन स्पेशल होते हैं, कुछ लोगों के लिए 10 होते हैं. सबका अपना अपना व्यूज है. तो वो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई मीन बाय दिस. तो ये आपकी अपनी आइडेंटिटी है. तो अभी आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि आपको कहाँ वर्क करना है. आप द पर्सन, जब आप दरवाजा खोलते हो, एंड आई सेड सी हु इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन यू वुड वांट टू सी. इस बार मैंने नहीं कहा whom you are seeing, I said whom you would want to see. मतलब ये पर्सन आपके दिल के सबसे ज़्यादा करीब है आपके लिए। उनके लिए है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, बट जैसे मैं हर सबकॉन्शियस वर्कशॉप में बताती हूँ, ये हर किसी पे काम करेगा। मैं इतना अच्छा ट्रेन करती हूँ लोगों को कि आप अपने आप पे करो, क्योंकि इफ़ यू फाइंड कि आपके अंदर एक डिफरेंस है तो ही आप कन्विक्शन से दूसरों को सिखा सकोगे या कर सकोगे या हेल्प कर सकोगे। पर जैसा कि मैंने कोई टेक्निक सिखाई, आपने अपने आप पर किया बट वर्क नहीं किया, तो आप उससे यू विल नॉट बी कन्विंस्ड, आप सेटिस्फाई नहीं होंगे, तो आप किसी और को उस पैशन से नहीं करा पाओगे। बट हाँ, अगर आपने अपने आप पे टेक्निक की और आपको लगा ये वर्क हो रही है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो सामने वाले को आप इतने अच्छे से करवाओगे, वो फ़र्क है। ओके, तो इसीलिए वो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ, और इसीलिए मैंने कहा वांट टू बी, ताकि आपके सबकॉन्शियस में हो। बट ये टेक्निक्स हर किसी पे काम करेगी, सिर्फ हस्बैंड्स वाइफ पे नहीं काम करेगी। वाइफ्स अलग ब्रीड है, तो वो नहीं काम करेगी। वाइफ हस्बैंड पे बेशक ट्राई कर सकते हैं, वो काम कर जाएगा, बट हस्बैंड वाइफ पे नहीं कर पाएंगे।
He has no choice.
हाँ वही, वो बेचारे मैरिड, लाइक ही टोल्ड मी, पर वो तो पिंच करती ही रहती है। तो मैंने कहा मालूम है ना, बीवियाँ पिंच करती ही है, अब शादी कर रहे हो तो पिंच के रेडी हो जाओ भाई। वो एक ऑप्शन नहीं है आपके पास, तो उसके अलावा मेरे पास हर चीज़ है। ये आपकी वाइफ पे नहीं चलेगा, बच्चों पे चल जाएगा, बाजू वाले की वाइफ पे भी चल जाएगा। ओके, तो ये आपकी अपनी आइडेंटिटी है। एवरीबडी नोज अभी आप कहाँ पर लाइफ में स्टैंड करते हो, एंड व्हाट इज़ द चैलेंज, क्या है जो आपके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट है और कहाँ आपको वर्क करना है, राइट। तो जो आइडेंटिटी आप अपने आप के लिए सोच रहे थे वो ये नहीं है। वी हैव इलैबोरेट आइडेंटिटी, वो भी है कि जहाँ पर आप अपना पर्पस, लाइक काफ़ी लोगों को जब हम पूछते हैं, स्पेशली कॉलेज चिल्ड्रन, मुझे कोई बोलेगा आई वांट टू बी इंजीनियर, आई वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर, लेकिन खुद को ही नहीं पता उनके एक्चुअल मोटिव और पर्पस क्या है। तो वो बहुत कुछ होता है, पर वो दैट टेक्स अ लिटिल लॉन्गर टाइम। अगर टाइम मिला आगे तो आई ट्राई एंड डू इट, बट एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत आपके अपनी आइडेंटिटी आपको आइडिया आ गई है कि आप खुद कहाँ लाइफ में स्टैंड कर रहे हो।